Hi, welcome to Barney Tech channel. Here we are going to see why spark is coming on HV line isolator while closing and opening of charged line. First we will see a small video for that. In this video all have been seen that when isolator opening time at beginning we get spark for small period. Now we are going to see why this spark is coming. For that we have to touch ionization topic little. If we consider atom, it consists of neutron, proton and electron. The proton is positively charged particle, neutron does not have any charges, electron has negative charge particle. This electron revolve around the proton and neutron. This is the general points everybody knows on it. When we see this isolator joint place have some edge on it, let us consider this as a isolator in this animation. At normal condition, there will be a air present around the isolator. When the isolator does not have any voltage on it, the air surrounded by the isolator will not have any reaction. But when the isolator has high voltage on it, then the surrounding air get ionization. Particularly at the edge of the isolator, the ionization will be more than the normal place due to this high voltage. Now we can see slightly about ionization. The ionization means the atom from neutral charge change into positive or negatively charged because of losing electrons or proton on it due to external force. This is known as ionization. So due to high voltage, the air surrounding will get ionization. You can see here the atom lose electron from it and get positively charged. The air is a good insulator in nature, but when it is ionized, then it will become a conductor. At the time of opening isolator, the ionized gas get into the space between the isolator and start to conduct the current. Since the flow of current is a electron and the ionization air is a positively charged, and it can easily carry this free electrons, and this electrons is carried by the ionization air and produce the plasma. This plasma is created when the ionized air is started to conduct current flow on it and subjected to strong electromagnetic field. This plasma produce bluish visible light. For this I am going to show a small example. This has a 5 kV on it. When the positive and negative are touched together, we didn't get any spark. When I start to move little bit from the negative, then the air surrounding by this place get ionized and they start to conduct between this positive and negative, and we get the spark. The spark will extend until we have the ionization air. Once we come to non-ionized air particle, then the spark start to stop. By this same concept, the isolator also the spark gets stopped when it move towards the non-ionized air particle. If the isolator moves very slowly, then the ionization could take fast and the spark cannot be broken. So the moving should be little bit fast to break this spark. And we all may have doubt that the isolator will be opening at no load. Even though at no load, the line will have some leakage current. Due to this leakage current, there will be a flow of currents. Due to this leakage of current and ionization air makes the isolator to get spark. I believe by this section you all came to know why this spark is coming. And if you like to have a similar type of topic which you need to know, you can post on the comment box and I will try to make the video for you as much as possible. We came to the end of the section. If this section is useful for your friends and colleagues, then please share to them. Thank you for watching this video.